Let's learn how to open and extract RAR files on your iPhone. RAR files are compressed archives that help reduce file size and make it easier to share multiple files at once. But iPhones don't have built-in support for opening them, so in today's video, I'll show you a little trick. I have a RAR file saved in my Files app, and if I tap on it, it will simply open this blank page where it will show me the name of the file and the size. There also isn't an extract option in the share sheet. So we will be using the built-in Shortcuts app on our iPhone in order to extract and open the RAR files which we have. I've opened the Shortcuts app and it looks something like this. Our job now is to create a new Shortcuts, so let's tap on the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. I'm now going to add the first action for this shortcut, so use the search bar and then type File. Make a selection of this first action from the list, and this will allow us to select the RAR file which we need to extract. Tap on the blue file text right here, and then find your RAR file in the Files app which will open. We will now add another action in our shortcut, so type Extract, and then find this Extract Archive option and select it. The third and last action which we need to find is the Save File option. Our shortcut is now finished, and we will now tap on the Done in the top right in order to save this shortcut. We're now ready to extract our RAR file, so tap once on the shortcut. Wait a second or two until the Files app appears over our screen, so you'll just want to save the extracted file in a folder or wherever you want to. I'll quickly create a folder in here and I'm going to name it Extracted, so I'll be able to find it easily. So that's about it. If I now exit the Shortcuts and then open the Files app, you'll see that my folder is full of files which I had extracted from my RAR file. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like on it and I'll see you soon.